Awesome, Emmanuel. Well, we're just going to walk through a few questions here that are required for this submission.
Huh?
First is for this role, what excites you most about working at Compass Group and in particular this ANIS position?
Oh, I think the biggest thing is that Compass Group is a big company. They're like over everywhere in America, North America and also. So having the opportunity to work with a company that big, for sure, the most important thing, for us growth. I see Compass Group as a platform for my next level of where my career wants to be, where I know there's so many growth available for me to like kind of like go into just to take my next career path.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Yeah, great organization to join. And after reading through and discussing some of the job requirements, what experience do you have that you think you would make you a good fit for this job?
I think from my previous role, gathering experience, gathering documentation processes, and most of all, my Excel skill. I'm a statistician by degree. I have my degree in maths and statistics. I've used Excel in so many ways, analyzing data, forecasting, slicing and dissecting, PV tables, visualization for sure for upper management to make decisions. That's kind of one of my biggest strengths. I love, like I said, my goal is, using numbers to tell a story. And that's the way I tell people. I said, Excel is kind of a tool that, you can use to like tell so many stories that people can relate. People who are very visualization oriented, they want to see pictures, graphic and stuff like that. So I think my great Excel skill is something that's going to be very relevant to this role. And also my processing and thinking outside the box is one of my biggest strengths. How do I solve troubleshoot issues and get results in place? Most of all, my skills as a business system analyst, where I liaise between the stakeholders and also the end users, has given me the opportunity to like liaise with different people from different aspect of life and so on and so forth. I think that's kind of like the biggest thing I know could be of a very big good fit for this role.
Awesome, man. Yeah, I think that aligns very well with what they're looking for and what the role entails. Um, and last question, with this being a, contract role, but there, some potential to go full time. If you were to get the role, where would you kind of see yourself in the next 3 to 5 years?
No, like I said, my first answer to the question is that, the growth is the big thing for me. My my previous role, I believe in a long term relationship with the organization, and Compass Group is one of this good company, great company I want to grow with. I want to see myself, and depending on what the next level of chain is, different structure or different organization has like different milestone. Okay, if you get to this position, this is the next one for you to go. So my goal next 3 years is to grow with this company as high as I could. Yeah, for sure. That's just the best way to put it.
Awesome, man. Awesome.